The concept of return on investment, ROI, originated in the manufacturing sector, where it's simple to measure time and output. Next to adopt the concept was the banking industry, where it is used consistently. ROI calculation is now a common feature in every type, industry, and function of business. Training necessitates spending a lot of effort and resources. Deliberating if the training program is going to be worth all its costs is a valid concern. This presentation provides a detailed overview of the four-step process for the calculation of return on training investment, ROTI. This method of ROTI calculation is simple yet effective to ascertain the value derived or failure to derive any financial benefits from a training program. The four-step of the ROTI calculation process are: 1. Choose the performance measures to use. 2. Gather data on changes. 3. Gather data on costs. 4. Calculate ROTI. The slide deck also looks at some guiding principles critical for collecting information regarding an assortment of data, which is the basis for ROTI calculation. The slide deck also includes some slide templates for you to use in your own business presentations. Want to learn more? To view this full document, check out the page linked to in the description below.